Sorry, family friendly.
Hello guys, if you can't tell from Star Trek right there, we are here today in a brand new theme park. Yes we are. I'm here in Germany. Yes, we're here for Movie Park Germany, which is located near Essen. As you know, I love new coasters. I love seeing new parks for the first time. Get onto coasters, Star Trek, the brand new Movie Park Studio Tour, Dora the Explorer, Van Helsing, just a ton of rides that I can add to the list. Get to that 100th coaster, and let's see what's happening at Movie Park Germany. Come around with me, let's go! We're about to get on my first coaster here, Star Trek Operation Enterprise. This is the coaster I'm here for, can't wait. As thrill rides go, Star Trek Operation Enterprise delivered, yes! Icon probably still is my favourite coaster, sorry. But that, just to get on it, get on brand new rides. The backwards segment though, of that is what I think made that coaster, in comparison to Icon, but they have got Enzo, which is out this year. The little spinning coaster on the back. If you want thrills, we've got it on Star Trek. So yeah guys, come around with us to see more of the park. I'm excited, let's go. Definitely not as wet as Acme Rapido or Popeye's Build Raj Bath. You know, very well themed. It's a splash, it's not too much, you know, it's not tidal wave. Hello guys, we've just come off our second coaster, the Studio Tour Movie Park Germany roller coaster. Honestly, the most themed ride I've done like ever. Like I've never seen a roller coaster as themed as that. All loads of hot sets, you don't know where you're gonna go. Very enjoyable, nice family coaster. This is the most newest coaster here at Park. A coaster you enjoyed? Not a fan of Star Trek, were you?
No.
Honestly, if you come here, make sure to get on that. Very good coaster, brand new to the park. So yeah, I'll make sure to get on that later. Woo! Can you see that? Yeah, that lovely rattly ride over there. That was awful. Not a smooth ride. Jamie, I actually loved it though, didn't you, Jamie?
It was, sorry, family friendly. It was really, really uncomfortable. It wasn't scary.
I will not be riding that coaster again. Disappointed. Drop me a message in the comments if you enjoy riding Bandit. Well everyone, that comes to the end of this video. Movie Park Germany. What can I say about it? I think it's quite a small park, easy to get done, everything you want to do in a day. You know, we did a few re-rides today. We had 10 till 6 today. Some of the rides close a bit earlier than 6 o'clock, but all the major coasters stay open to the end. It's been nice to experience a brand new park. That's what I'm here for. That's what I enjoy doing. Shh. Thanks a lot to Jamie Igo for being here today with me. Was it better than Heidi Park?
I mean, the weather is. I reckon for the water rides, yeah. Especially where it's hot.
Not for the thrill, no?
Maybe not, maybe.
No, maybe not. Well, Jamie, you'll be back on Tuesday, won't you?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Phantasialand.
Yes guys, the theme park tour continues. We're off to Phantasialand Tuesday. I wouldn't put it on top, that's just my review of some of the other parks I've definitely been to, but it was good to experience it. Star Trek is definitely my favourite coaster here on park. The movie studio ride was probably like my second best because of the theming, a very, very well themed coaster, all the props and all that sort of stuff. Remember guys to like, comment, share, subscribe to the what channel?
The Stefan Schwarzkopf
YouTube channel.
Go find me on YouTube guys, thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one. See you soon Phantasialand.